Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. And today I'm about to take you inside a vehicle that's not just transportation, it's a dream. Home on wheels. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is designed to completely change how we think about traveling, camping, and living life on the road. This isn't just another RV. It's Toyota's bold vision of luxury, technology, and freedom all blended into one incredible machine. The first thing you notice when stepping inside is the living room view. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury lounge. Plush leather sofas wrap around the space, with a sleek 4K smart TV mounted neatly on the wall. Surround sound speakers and ambient LED lighting set the perfect mood, whether you're watching a movie, hosting friends, or simply relaxing after a long drive. The panoramic windows stretch wide, flooding the room with natural light and giving you breathtaking views of wherever you decide to park. Move into the kitchen view, and you'll see how Toyota has truly thought of everything. A glossy countertop with a deep sink, an induction cooktop, a built-in oven, and a spacious refrigerator mean you can prepare anything from a quick breakfast to a full dinner with ease. Storage cabinets are hidden within sleek designs, and the dining area doubles as an extension of the kitchen, featuring a foldable table that tucks away neatly when not in use. Cooking in this space doesn't feel like camping. It feels like you're in a modern city apartment. Now let's head into the bedroom view, and this is where Toyota has added a touch of true luxury. A queen-size bed with premium memory foam sits in the center, surrounded by soft touch, finishes and overhead storage that's stylish yet practical. Accent lighting creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere, and the large windows give you the option of waking up to a mountain sunrise or closing blackout shades for complete privacy. It's a retreat within a retreat, and every detail has been designed to feel premium. And then there's the bathroom view, a space that will completely surprise you. Instead of the cramped bathrooms you find in most RVs, this one feels elegant and spa-like. A glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall-style shower head, a sleek modern sink, and a vanity mirror make it feel more like a hotel suite. The finishes are high-end, the storage is smart, and the overall vibe is comfort and class. Of course, this Toyota Motorhome isn't just about looks. It's powered by a hybrid system for efficiency, features roof-mounted solar panels, and offers a smart digital control hub where you can manage lighting, temperature, and appliances right from a touchscreen or your smartphone. Add in Toyota's advanced driver assist systems and you have not just a motorhome, but a true futuristic living experience. So stick around here on Auto Plus, because this is the kind of future you don't want to miss.